What's up? It's BLOXBURG here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some BLOXBURG with Okay, so let's get right into the video, and I'm going to make breakfast. And I already actually prepared breakfast before this video, but Andrew, you can go play on your laptop. Well, I am going to... Oh, dang it. Well, Andrew, that... Oh, geez, the bills are $560. I can't afford that. Yeah, I can't afford that. Can you please me some money so I can afford it? Just give me as much as possible. Yeah, I paid the bills. Okay, I'll close the door and I'll set the table, and then we can go work after we eat breakfast because we need money so that I can actually be able to pay the bills. Yep. So I'm gonna take this and put it back in the fridge. If you want, you can show everyone your house. And guys, after you watch this video, make sure to go and check out his cam, because we have we're gonna post like his cam and my cam on here. So after you watch mine, go check out his, and after you watch his, come check out mine. So yeah, you're hearing that from Andrew's video. Come check out mine now, and then go finish his later. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Andrew, did you eat all the cookies? Fine. I guess we're not having cookies for breakfast.
I just had cookies.
Well, you need a drink. I'm going to bring you some Cola. And then I'll make myself my own breakfast. In your room. Right? No, you're in your room. There's your Cola. I don't know, but I'm going to make myself some breakfast now, okay? Let's see what I have. Do I have any breakfast stored? I know, I'm not asking you. Oh, I have some pancakes. I'll put that down and I'll make myself a smoothie. Nope. You want toast? You want some toast? I'll make you some toast. Because apparently... Nice, so I'm just gonna get some toast for you. Here, I made you some toast. VAXWOLF, I made you some toast. And they're on Blue Wolves. But I'll put the link in the description to both of our channels. So, on both of the videos, I'll put the link in the description because I'm the one who's posting the videos. Because, yeah. So, yep. So, I'm going to view my content, and I do have a super smoothie, and I'm going to eat my food now. Because Andrew was greedy, and he ate all the cookies, and he made me make him some toast and bring him black. No, wait. Just, we want to go at the same time. Let me just play my computer a little bit because I'm bored. I'm gonna watch some U-Blacks. Oh, I'm super stinky. I'm gonna take a shower before we leave. You can take a bath. I'll take a shower. It's BLOXBURG. Okay, let's see my mood. Okay, I need to wait till my hygiene goes up because I am not feeling good right now. So I'm gonna wait till my hygiene goes up. Play some of my game, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then we can leave to work. Okay? Oh, we should have lunch now before we leave to work, though. But I'm not hungry at all. We can have lunch and dinner at the same time. Okay? For dinner, we can have yeah. No, not at 12. Let's come back at like 3 and then I'll make breakfast and lunch. Not breakfast and lunch, lunch and dinner. Okay,
Peanut butter jelly town, peanut butter.
you can't make PB&J sandwiches.
Okay.
Plus, you wouldn't want a PB&J sandwich. You would literally die. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep for a little while.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh, I was gonna game and then don't go to work yet.
Alright.
Check your mood. How are you
I'm
feeling?
feeling awesome. I'm feeling great. So
Can I just play my computer a little bit?
Yeah, but come to work.
Wait, what do you want to do though?
Earn money at.
Do you want to fish or what are you gonna do?
I'm being a mechanic.
Okay,
Why is it loading?
I'll be there in a few. I'm just gonna play my computer
By the
because I'm
way,
really bored.
Go check out my channel. I just posted an NBA Live video.
Yeah, go check out my channel. We already said that. The links will be in the description to our channels. But after you watch both of our videos on Blue Wolves, go check out both of our channels. So I'm gonna go. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna go to work as a mechanic.
Why is no one? Oh, please replace my tires. What do you have? Oh, you have old-fashioned wares. Why does this call it old-fashioned
There we go.
wares? Thank
Mechanic
you.
is probably my favorite job. I do it 24/7.
Same.
But I also like fishing.
Hmm.
Fishing and mechanic are my favorite jobs. Those are
What?
basically all I do.
What? That I got wrong? Okay. Can you please paint it green?
Paint his thing green and then get close and hit done.
I know, it's easy.
Someone actually had a bright green thing and I said like paint it green and it was the exact same color and it didn't do anything. Okay, come on, bring your thing. Please paint my bike purple.
What do you have? Okay, I think you have.
Andrew, I have this one, you have that one. You stay at that cashier, I'll stay at this one,
You have
okay?
moped wheels.
Okay, Andrew, I'll be at this person, you be at that person.
Yes, I will.
So I'll get some oil for
Change
him.
front wheel and change back wheel.
Take some oil. Let's put it in there.
Ba-doom. I'm
Boom.
really bad at this job. But
Same. Suck at it. Okay, what do you want? Your bike would look great if it had some green. Ooh. Why is it red? No, I don't want it to be red. No. Green. Why does it say it's red? Whatever, I'll just paint it green.
I painted it red. Boy, I'm already done.
Well, then hit done.
I just hit done. Looks great. But
Could you paint it green? I think it looks amazing gold. So many
paint on
So many people come in with the gold ones, and they asked if they can have either green or purple, but I think it looks good when it's gold.
They always ask me black when they come in like that.
They always ask me green or purple.
Some black would be
Oh,
good.
they always ask me purple or green. It's so weird.
Dude,
I never
what?
wanna-
What's happening? Replace my tires. It's moped wheels.
Okay. All I'm getting is paint jobs. No one wants their tires replaced. I'd like my bike red. Everyone doesn't want tire replacements. I only got like one oil
Oh
fill.
my god, I got house bills. Kill me.
I'd like a new set of wheels. Okay.
Please replace my tires. Too far away. Oh my god.
Take some moped wheels.
Done. What? It says looks fantastic and it's an X. This game's broken.
Don't worry. Wait, why did I take this one? I took a moped wheel. Oh, whatever. Change the back wheel.
Dude, this guy already has a black one.
There
No,
you
okay, I'm
go.
wrong.
Okay, here. What do you want? Can you replace my old tires? Of course I can. Let's get some of these
Your
moped.
bike black. That bike really looks terrible, so it's good that you're actually going to change it. After we're done working, let's just end the video because this is already a day. A day in Bloxburg with Andrew.
No, it hasn't been a day. After this, we can have dinner and whatever. Okay, what's this? I'd like
Can you replace my old tires?
a new set of wheels.
Yes.
A new set of wheels? Why? Sure.
This is really easy. I'm going to just do this one and I'm going to be done.
My cam might be longer, guys. My cam might be longer
Yes,
because
it will.
I might stay for longer than him because he probably thinks it's been 24 minutes and it's actually been like literally 2 minutes. in the video.
And
So I'd like a new set of
bye,
wheels.
guys.
So
Yeah,
there.
bye.
Okay. What does he want? He liked his bike green. Okay, there we go. Let's paint that green. There. Let's see how much money I made. I made $318. I could probably pay my bills. I'm gonna go back to my house. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna yeah, bye guys.